Hi there, I'm Dennis, and today I'm about to show you something I'm very excited about. Isn't it annoying to keep changing remote control batteries and deal with all the waste? Well, luckily Hisense has a great way to make things easier and greener. Today I'm showing you the solar-powered remote, an eco-friendly remote control. Forget about disposable batteries, this remote has a built-in solar panel that charges from any light and also a Type-C port for quick charging. It is insanely simple. Just leave it under room light, sunlight, or charge it like a gadget using a Type-C cable. It's super convenient. This new remote control helps reduce electronic waste and is easy on your wallet. Plus, it's cool. Award-winning design makes it a stylish addition to any room, earning such prestigious accolades such as the Red Dot Design Award and the Design Award in 2024. But what truly sets this Hisense solar-powered remote apart are the innovative features that go beyond sustainability. Imagine never having to search for your remote again. With the remote finder function, Find Me, it's as easy as asking your OS Vida to locate your remote control using hands-free voice control. Let me show you. Hey Vida, find my remote. And the remote emits a nice beeping sound so you're able to locate it. There's also a manual option. Just press a button underneath the TV and it does the same thing. Okay, while speaking of this eco-friendly remote, let me just add a word about Hisense's commitment to sustainability. Not just the remote, also Hisense's TVs come with features designed to reduce pollution, save energy, and cut costs. The energy-saving mode keeps power use low while delivering excellent picture quality. The adaptive light sensor adjusts the screen brightness to match the room lighting, providing a bright and clear picture while conserving energy. With the energy-saving switch off timer, your TV will turn off automatically, ensuring it's never on longer than necessary. But did you know that this reflects also in the packaging? Every TV package is crafted from 95% reusable materials and printed with eco-friendly ink, ensuring a smart choice for your home and the environment. With these smart features, you're not only enhancing your entertainment experience, but also making a positive impact on our planet. Be part of the change and make a smarter, greener choice with Hisense today.